Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can extract data after, before, and between delimiters. Like now here we have delimiters for the names. We have a full stop here. We have a comma here. So we want to extract data before the full stop, after the full stop, and between the full stop and the commas. So let's see how we can do this in Power BI. So here again, I will go to Home tab, click on this function, forget data. I will choose Excel workbook. Then I will choose text functions, then open. Then I will choose this one for after, between, and before. This is our data set. Then I will click on transform, because we need to transform first before we load into Power View. So now we are ready. So these are our queries. These are our data preview. This other side we have the query settings. Of here we have the name of the query, and down here we have the steps, and up here we have the functions and tabs. Within each and every tab we have functions. So this down here we have functions, and up here we have Power Query tabs. So now we need to see how we can extract data before, between, and after delimiters. So here we have our data, or rather we have our preview query here. So I will click on this this column named data. Then I will go to add column. Now I'm not using transform, because when you transform, we'll transform all the characters into and the character that we'll choose, rather the character that we'll extract. But we need just to extract whatever we want here. Then maybe if you want to do transformation later after extracting, then we'll do that. So I will click on add column. Then I will click on extract. That now I want the data before delimiter. Then I will click text before delimiter. Then I will choose delimiter. Now the delimiter here is a full stop. Then I will click OK. So you can see we've extracted Miss, Mr. and Mrs., Sir and Doctor. And then now I want to extract text between delimiters. Again, I will click on this column for data. Then I will go to extract. And I will go to text between delimiters. Then I will now choose the delimiters. We are starting with the full stop, and then we are ending with a comma. Then I will click OK. So now we've extracted the names of the individuals without their prefixes. And again, now I want the text after delimiter. So again, click on this column for data. Then I will click on extract. And I will choose text after delimiter. Then now the delimiter here will choose comma, because I want the values after their names. So then I will click OK. So now I have values, and again now the values that I have, they're in the form of text, but I can as well change them in the form of numerical values. So I'll come here and click on this ABC. Then I will change the text to whole number. Then now we have values of whole numbers. So after extracting your values here from the data given, now you can either choose to delete the initial data, then come again and merge the data that you've extracted from the original data. So for me here, I will just come and right click on this column. Then I will say remove. So now I have 3 columns, but now I want these 2 columns to be merged again. So I will again come and click these two. I will select these 2 columns, the first and the second one. And then I will come to transform data now. Now I will not add column. I want to transform these 2 into 1 column. Then I will come to text column function. Then I will click merge. Then I will use separator as space. Separator as I don't have a dot, but let me custom. I will use this full stop, then space. And I will write here full name. Then I will click OK. So now I've extracted the data from the original data, and we'll also merge the data that we extracted. Then again, I can also rename this one to values. Then from here now you can load your data into Power BI. For other Power View, just come to Home tab, then click Close and Apply. Then it will be loaded into Power View. So this is one way of cleaning your data before you use it in Power View. To something else, I can give it a different name, and then we can view what we've just loaded using data view. So the data that we've cleaned, we've extracted and merged again, and now this is what we have as our data set that has been loaded into Power BI. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how to extract text after, before, and between given data values. Rather, how to extract text before, after, and between delimiters in a given data value. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.